You can't even sit in peace. Cause all of these niggas be on you. I'm just saying I can be, yeah, one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world with you. You're gonna waste your time.
Hey everybody. So guess what happened this morning? Somebody had a flat tire. I thought I was about to get up 2 a.m. Nope. Look at the flat tire. Lord have mercy. And I know he was hurt too. Yeah, at least the rim do look good. He couldn't get it off because it's locked and you need a special key when you got a BMW. It always something with the BMWs. BMW price so high and everything. You kept it up though. Like that, like that. You got anything you want to say?
No.
Get out. Look at my baby. Get out of here. I ain't talking. Look at my baby. Ooh, ooh. Car tour coming soon. Car tour coming soon. And my keys in the back. I'm so happy. I want to get this. I want to get some tinted windows. Then I want to get the 2 radio fix. A little junky in here. But I don't know what I'm going to try to get it fixed. I didn't want this color, but blue was my favorite color. I don't know what happened. I really don't like blue like that, but hey, I needed something to drive. And so far, it's been pretty good. I love this car. I had a gray one, but probably like 2 years ago when I was pregnant with my last son, I had got in a bad car accident, and I said I didn't want it anymore. So it's like technically every car that I kind of wanted, I got it. They in the back knocked out. That's King. Can't really see him, but that's Elijah, and that's Messiah over there.
Hours later.
I claps. All in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your thing. Yeah, that makes me look at you too often. When you forget something, baby, you run out of time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. You do what in my space. Baby, I'm late, but I can check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. And my body
Hey, yeah, lay that money on the money.